Imagine Lionel Messi in goal. The world would never see Messi's speed on the ball, his remarkable vision and combination play, or his incredible scoring. And at 7 inches shorter than the average goalkeeper, there are players better suited for that position. But without insights into his skills and weaknesses, Messi's manager could very well have left hidden one of soccer's greatest gems. HR manager Sarah is familiar with this scenario. In her role, she strives to assemble dream teams of highly skilled individuals, uncovering each gem's unique capabilities, experience, and instincts. She wants everyone to find their sweet spot within the organization, but she needs a way to know which roles her employees' skills are best suited for. Enter 365Talents Talent Marketplace, the AI-powered skills-first solution that's a game changer for organizations like Sarah's and like yours. Use it for skills mapping and employee engagement. See real-time skills clearly when you empower employees to self-declare who they are and what they're great at. Our solution analyzes the skills your people report themselves to identify organizational strengths and weaknesses, then displays them in an easy-to-analyze framework. When Sarah knows that Kim can code in Rust and Ali is fluent in Portuguese, she can put their unique skills to work for the team. Internal mobility. Move highly skilled people into new roles that excite them. 365Talents Talent Marketplace uses data to suggest role and training opportunities for everyone. This is how Sarah can guide cloud engineer Fran to an internal data management position. Fran receives a pay rise, expands their skills, and turns down an offer from a rival company. Project staffing. Assemble winning teams effortlessly. Swift and efficient matching optimizes staffing for regular or one-off projects. Now, Sarah can easily identify the most suitable internal talent without the cost of outsourcing and avoid putting a historically great scorer in goal. 365Talents Talent Marketplace is the solution your organization needs to stay relevant and competitive in your industry. Available in 45+ languages, our customers have already used the platform to increase internal mobility by 30%, decrease employee turnover by 10%, save 4 million euros in employee replacement costs, and save 1 million euros in external recruitment costs. Assemble your dream team and unleash the power of skills with 365Talents Talent Marketplace.